Hi, I'm Molly O'Connell, and today's Friday, March 26th, and we have some exciting news for you today. First, Charlie O'Neill met up with some girls from the JCA volleyball team to see what they've been up to this season and what's ahead for them.
Hi, my name is Charlie O'Neill, and today I'm going to be asking junior Crystal Galvez and senior Jillian Gray some questions about the volleyball season this year. And what teams have you guys played so far, and how's the team done?
Our hardest competitions have definitely been in the beginning of the year, and we are just looking to get better and practice every day and come away with a few wins.
Who will be some of your toughest opponents for the remainder of the season, and how do you feel about these games?
I think some of our toughest opponents will be Bennett because that's always a good game and obviously a good program, so we'll just have to prepare for them and other games.
Without a state playoff this year, what has been your guys' goal for the season?
I think our biggest goal is winning conference. And getting better as a team and having fun.
How has it been playing without a hill zone at home or any fans at all at away games?
It's definitely been different just because we have to create our own energy, and the hill zone was a big part of that last year. So yeah.
And when is your next game, so our viewers at home might be able to watch online?
Our next game is this Saturday against Plainfield North at 2, and you can watch on NFHS.
Thanks, Charlie. We can't wait to see what the rest of the season holds for our JCA girls volleyball team. Next, we get to meet up with Jack Magrini to hear some exciting news about the boys lacrosse team and some inspiration for joining.
Action. Hello JCA, I'm Jack Magrini, and let me ask you this first. Have you ever wanted to play a sport that you didn't need experience for? That you want to play? Well, lacrosse is the perfect sport for you. Anybody could play. Now, before you want to play lacrosse, let me show you what you need. So first, you're going to need a helmet, okay? Now I got this for $50 off the website. Used. You can get your gear very cheap. You need chest pads. These need to be lacrosse chest pads. You can get hockey pads or whatever. These are arm pads. You need cleats. You need lacrosse balls for practice, and practice starts on April 5th at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And you need a mouth guard. You need gloves, and obviously your stick. And some practice balls. So, if you want to play lacrosse, talk to Senior DeBartolo or Father Jeff for more information. Go Hill!
Thanks, Jack. We can't wait to see what the boys lacrosse team does this year. Next, Emma Gruber talked to Mr. Eakle about what grinds his gears this week.
Hi, I'm Junior Emma Gruber, and let's find out what grinds Mr. Eakle's gears this week.
Hi JCA, this is Mr. Eakle, and here's what grinds my gears this week. The topic is going to be waiting in line. Now I know what you're going to say. Everyone hates waiting in line, and that is true. However, my complaint goes a little bit deeper than just waiting in line. Right? My complaint is what happens of when you're waiting in line and how you wait in line. Why is it when there's 3 cash registers open and you pick a cash register, the other 2 lines are way faster? You go to one line, a person who was shopping while you were waiting in line goes into that next line and is out of the store before you. It's so insane, so infuriating. No matter which line you pick, you're wrong. Also, when you get old, you have to go to Walgreens or the bank. They have the lines for the cars, the separate lanes. Same thing happens. You're always wrong. All right. True story. Going to Walgreens, picking up something, right across the street. It's happened right across the street. All right. I'm waiting in lane 1 behind 1 car. I'm like, this will be easy, nice and quick. Lane 2 has 2 cars in it, so I'm like, I'm not going to go behind those 2 cars. I'll go behind the 1 car. All right. Well, lo and behold, those 2 cars go out before I even get talked to, and a 3rd car also gets helped before I get talked to. So I put it in reverse, I go park and go inside, and while I'm walking inside, the car I was waiting behind leaves. Literally the worst possible scenario that could have happened. Right, so here's my new move. Here's a pro tip. People are going to hate you for this, but here's what I do now. Whenever I'm in line at a bank or at a pharmacy like Walgreens, you know, they have the 2 lanes, I wait in line in the middle of the lanes. So no one can go past me, and I pick the faster lane. Sometimes people try to sneak around me. Don't let that happen. I get a lot of dirty looks. whatever. But this way, I'm gonna wait the least amount of time possible in a line, all right? So when you guys start doing that, those either drive or are gonna drive soon, if you don't wanna wait in a long line, park in the middle of the two lines and then you can go ahead and go. So that, JCA, is what grinds my gears and a tip at how to get out of long lines.
Thanks, Mr. Eakle. Now back to you guys.
Well, Mr. Eakle, we hope you don't have to wait in any lines anytime soon. Next, Joey O'Connell met up with about the JCA boys volleyball team.
Hi, my name is Joey O'Connell, and I'm here with captain of the boys volleyball team, Jeffery Zadel, here to talk about their upcoming season for the spring year. So, what have you been up to so far this season?
So basically, we've had a few open gyms. We're trying to start our program up. We have tryouts April 4th and 5th.
All right.
And we're starting it from the bottom up because we just got a new coach. So he is trying fundraising, and we're trying to get new balls and setting targets, and basically just starting new.
Awesome. Are there any specific type of goals that you would like to accomplish this year?
To basically just spike all the competition, you know?
Yeah. And are there and do you have tryouts soon, right?
Yes, April 4th and 5th. The times are to be determined, but if you want to try out, just contact Coach Gilbert and he should be happy to help.
All right, thank you, Jeffrey. Thanks for your time, and back to you guys at the studio.
Thanks, Joey, and we can't wait to see what you guys do this season. Next, we heard from Claire O'Donnell and some girls from the JCA soccer team about what their season holds.
Hi, I'm junior Claire O'Donnell here with Alaina Wildenradt and Kendall McLeod, interviewing them about our upcoming soccer season. So when does our season officially start?
So tryouts start April 5th, and then on April 17th we play at PepsiCo, and then on April 20th is our first game against Lockport.
Are we going to have playoffs this season?
Yeah, we are.
We're really excited. Thank you both so much. I can't wait for our season. Go Hill!
Thanks, Claire. Can't wait to see what our team does this season. Lastly, Kate Formhals met up with Mrs. Murray for some information about Jubilate.
Hi, I'm Nicole Murray, and I am part of the Jubilate committee this year. We just want to give everybody an update on exactly what we're doing this year. Of course, as we all know, things have changed a bit and how we are doing events, but we have come up with the motto that we are going to revamp and we are not going to cancel. So this year's Jubilate event is on Saturday, April 24th. It's going to be a drive-through event. It will have a virtual component. It will have pickup dinners from Bella Cucina, raffles. It will still have the great auction that the event has been known for. The best part about this year is that anybody can participate if you're not even here in Joliet. So we hope that alumni will unite with us and get involved this year. We are all excited because we really do feel that this is an event that brings our community together, and us doing this through the drive-through and through the virtual part of it. There will be a video that night that you can learn more about what Jubilate is supporting this year. So we want to invite you to be a part of it. We hope that you will unite with us and be the light and help us keep this great tradition going.
Thanks, Mrs. Murray. We're so grateful that Jubilate gets to go on this year, even though everything's different. Thanks, everyone. Hope you enjoyed, and go Hill.
For more information, please visit our website.